Up and ready. Start up on the stands. Under orders, they fly out of the stall. Sweet Whisper good at the good this time. Up with the pace, has jumped well, and the one to take charge is Canterbury by about half to the good of Ampere's Touch. Dream Jewel on the improve to run a close second as they cross the 7-furlong mark, followed by Ampere's Touch settling into third. Half a length on the outside is Exclusive Spark, followed by the Grey Sadia. Racing next on the outside is Alpine Girl, close to the fence Sweet Whisper, and Sundance Kid is last. Back to the leader now as they run towards the 1000 meter mark now, and it's Dream Jewel shows the way by about a length and a half to 2 clear of Canterbury. Similar margin to Ampere's Touch, length and a half behind Exclusive Spark. Already nudged is Sadia, followed by Sweet Whisper getting little keen. On the outside of Sweet Whisper is Alpine Girl, and then comes Sundance Kid, with Dream Jewel still holding the lead of about 2 lengths from Canterbury, followed by Ampere's Touch. Racing 1 back to 1 is Exclusive Spark in fourth. They followed then by Sadia. Towards the fence is Sweet Whisper. Half a length on the outside is Alpine Girl. Looking for a gap between the two is Sundance Kid as they start to negotiate the turn. Dream Jewel comes in first by about 2.5 to the good of Ampere's Touch and Canterbury together. They followed then by Sweet Whisper. On the outside is Exclusive Spark, Sadia, and very wide is Sundance Kid moving up resolutely on the outside. Inside the last furlong now, and Ampere's Touch has taken the charge by about a length in front of Sweet Whisper, gaining momentum. Sundance Kid comes with a very powerful surge. They are wide apart. Ampere's Touch and Sundance Kid. Sadia, Ampere's Touch is the winner. From Sundance Kid, Sadia, Sweet Whisper together. They followed then by Exclusive Spark, Dream Jewel, then it was Alpine Girl and Canterbury packing off last.
Ampere's Touch మొదటి స్థానము, నెంబర్ 1 Sundance Kid రెండవ స్థానము, నెంబర్ 5 సాదియా మూడవ స్థానము, నెంబర్ 6 Sweet Whisper నాలుగవ స్థానము, నెంబర్ 3 Exclusive Spark ఐదవ స్థానము,